Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Lots of little buds on this plant. It's Dwarf Evergreen Shrub. It's a mini rhododendron called Rhododendron Night Sky. And Rhododendron Night Sky only grows around 40 centimetres high and in a mound of really tight evergreen foliage. In the winter time it looks lovely, I think, with all those buds on for winter. And they open out into purple flowers in spring. There's one just peeping in there. Can you see them in there? That little purple flower there. Now, I like to, first of all, you can grow them in pots and containers or out in open ground. Perfect in pots and containers, small root system, so they're ideal. They're going to just make a lovely mound of it, looks well right through the year. Purple flowers then in spring. Plant them completely in swell by compost and feed them with our high iron formula to keep them in good condition. But it's a lovely little neat tight rhododendron. Once you feed it with a high iron formula, it'll stay in wonderful condition for you, and we'll have lots of flower buds like this every year. So that's Rhododendron Night Sky. A little mini rhododendron can be planted from now. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.